Hi. Are you so excited? What you doing? Is that right? Are you a wiggle worm? I think he threw up a little bit in his mouth. Yep. I'm just happy because he always pukes on me. And now it's Daddy's turn. Logan. Hey, buddy.